Hi, this is Marty Dougherty from the Dougherty Garden. Today we're looking at the Monstera. Last name I don't even attempt to, but the Swiss cheese plant. It's attached itself. Let me just show you the roots over here, give you an idea. Here's the root system for the Monstera plant that's up there. As you can see, it weaves a tangled web. Now we just followed it all the way up. This is Tillandsia. I had one little plant many years ago. As you can see how many are in there. That's a bunch of it. That's a whole other story I'll cover. But we're looking at the Swiss cheese plant. As you can see, the base of the heavier roots, that's from the 2 or 3 that are literally up there. And let me just get back over here. You can see that's about roughly 12 to 14 feet in the air, as I can see. But that is the very top of the plant. It's been that way for several years. And what appears up there is a white spat. I don't have the proper name for it at the moment. It's a white spat, white in color, like a seed pod, which similar to other plants I have in the garden, that will just appear and like little lumps, similar to what's the other plant I'm trying to get at the, oh my God. Let me just take a look quick over here. I'll just show you what it looks like when my old timer kicks in. There it is, right between and over there, in the middle of the thing. Marty, wake up. All right, let me get a little closer look so you can see it. With the same principle applies, it produces a spat in that big, large pot over there. It is, oh God, scaring the shit out of me. All right, getting back over here. And there it is. Monstera, the Swiss cheese plant. And it's been there for years. Like I said, the spat comes out. And it's a little, 2 little white seeds on the other one over there. Is the, keep on forgetting, God, we're really getting dangerous here. Little white seeds, which will fall down to the ground. I have yet, over the years, find one that actually germinates. And it will fall to the base of this plant over here. As you can see, the roots just end right in that little spot over there. Basically, it's the same as the plants across the aisle. Got maybe up. I think I'll do a video on it tomorrow, so as well. I'll have the real name for it. And that's oh God, sorry about that. It's just going to health with me. It sounds. So we're back to the Swiss cheese plant, and I'll just go up here one last time, past the Tillandsia, and up there, and then you can see it. And it's been that way no matter how strong the winds are. Look how big the leaves are up there. But apparently they say when the leaves are small and the leaves are large, but probably what you see in the picture, they're small leaves, but they get a little large, about 2 or 3 times the size up there at the moment. But that's what they are. And wake up, Marty. The Anthurium, that's what that little thing over there is. So that's it. Thank you for stopping by. Please like the video. And if anybody's really into wanting any of this stuff, just let me know. I'm more than happy to ship you something. I'm not price crazy, but I'm not going to foolish. But if you get it, let me know. And we're happy to accommodate you. So that's it for now. Signing off, Marty Dougherty. Please like the video and please subscribe to the Martin Dougherty channel. And I will do a video on that damn plant tomorrow. It's going to drive me crazy because I know it's a bird's nest anthurium. Sorry, there you go. Wake up. It's a bird's nest anthurium on the other side of it. Maybe I'll do a video on that tomorrow. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.